For the record, Nevada's Highway 93 southbound out of Wendover has some of the creepiest things we've seen in our travels so far. Not kidding at all. Here we go. Weston, Scott.
We're not joking or exaggerating about anything here. And just a disclaimer, we have cleared every room, so don't be going into these weird little places and trying to, you know, just explore and scout around. We tiptoed through everything, clearing every corner, and it was scary, but we did it, and so just...
So that's
seriously,
why...
guys, that's not a joke, guys. I've got law enforcement experience. I'm used to doing this kind of thing, but even now, I'm not equipped, you know, but we're trained professionals. But anyway, this is pretty creepy. We've pretty much walked through it, but we're going to take you on a quick... You saw behind us, everything has a price. I don't know what that means.
It's eerie, though. That's creepy.
That is...
There it is. So, okay.
That's damn eerie.
Let's move inside. And we're going to show you something, just you'll see some of the scenes over here.
There's a rusted out Model A over in the corner. I don't know if you can make it out in the video. It's kind of cool looking, I thought. Some sheds back here. Have no idea what these are.
And we're moving up to some other markings here that,
Yeah.
whether they're warnings or wisdom, who knows?
Okay, let's see what we got
There
here.
you go.
Guys, we found this like this. We did not, none of this is made up.
Legal disclaimer, we've not vandalized anything. That was here.
Yeah. And also, everything, all these doors are already open. Yeah, unlocked, so we're not trespassing. I mean, we didn't climb over any fences or anything.
We're not stealing, we're not breaking in, it was open. So let's go inside. Again, we've walked through the rooms already real quick, but we'll give you a quick little view of what we found in here. It's just a creepy little slide.
First look at where we won't go.
The place we didn't go, yeah, we didn't go down here because this is, again, how many horror movies do we see some nonsense like this? Down in some basement.
There's a step missing there.
Nice.
Let's see if there's anything. I don't want to see anything.
So there's a step missing there?
Yeah, right there. You know what?
No, come here.
That's a little creepy, guys. I'm not gonna lie.
I mean, we've not been down here. I'm gonna go down.
Dude, are you sure?
I'm going down there.
We didn't clear that one.
No, we didn't clear it, but you know what?
No.
I'm going down.
No.
Let's go into the basement of nothing. You'll never see me again. I love you guys.
Yeah. Thanks for freaking. You know I have to have your back, so you.
The first thing I'm looking for is to make sure Jason's not underneath the staircase.
And make sure each step will support your weight.
Yeah, I'm trying that.
Hold on to the sides.
Using side braces. Shit.
Trying to provide light here. Scott, you have a flashlight, right?
Yeah.
Okay. See anything?
Black widows.
Yeah, be careful.
Guys, be real safe. Everyone watching, it's not the brightest thing we've ever done, but just be real
Steps a
careful.
little creaky right here. Be careful.
Look out for the rusted nails, too. You see anything, guys?
Well, some interesting basement area, but it looks all clear. It doesn't look like there's any bad guys down here.
This is no kidding. For those of you watching, we've never been here before.
Space behind the walls right there, too. You don't know if anything can pop out of that.
Finish clearing this real quick.
If you notice like a hesitation in my voice, I am really nervous right now because we legitimately did not clear this, so my heart's really pumping. I can't even, my teeth are chattering a little bit. This is really weird.
There are some pretty freaking big bugs down here, though. So
Yeah.
like that one.
Okay. Guys, freezer in a creepy basement. I have to see what's inside.
Oh boy.
Pork sausage.
Pork sausage. Dibs.
Okay.
All right.
That's gross.
All
It
right,
smells
cool. So,
bad.
Guys, hey, we did it. Fist bump. That's a fist
Oh, it
bump.
smells bad. That's cat litter right there too.
all right, do you want to Are we going to stop this video until we get out now and resume when we get up on top? Or are we
Sure.
gonna keep going? All right, guys, so you saw the video. We just came out of the basement. A little interesting time climbing out of it since there's missing steps and such. But
My heart was, I couldn't even speak clearly.
cool little experience. Cool little experience. So
A little
Yes.
nerve-wracking.
the rest of the place we've already been to and cleared the rooms. We'll give you a quick tour of it. But this was the real deal here. So, okay.
Keep in mind, we've cleared the rooms, but they're still really creepy. It's weird. This is our favorite part. Well, my favorite.
To the right there's just a couple bathrooms, not really much to see. But this in here,
This is the cool part.
this was the cool part. Let me get some extra light in here too. There we go. All right. This little dilapidated bar.
Oh. Guide to Eli. Oh, the phone book. Eli is the next town we're actually headed to. Gonna grab a...
I'm sure none of these
Hotel
numbers
room.
still are valid.
This is an old-fashioned bar, actually, what we're looking at. It's pretty sturdy for its day. Kind of abandoned.
There's a couple open hotel rooms down the road, but one of the doors was standing open. As we looked at, we saw something that looked a little interesting. We checked it out. Everything was okay, but upon first glance, it looked like something else was going on.
Why don't you show us?
It was something that warranted Scott having to send out a.
We haven't looked in
warning.
here yet. And a bunch of
locked.
different
Who has the key to this lock?
ice bags.
Seriously.
Hey, at least,
Or used syringes, who knows?
there's Jean-Claude Van Damme wasn't laying naked in there. Okay.
That's messed up.
Don't get me wrong. Universal Soldier was a good movie.
Yeah, okay.
Even creepy little serial killer bed and breakfast places. I'm digging this sidewalk here. This Old West sidewalk. This is pretty dang cool for me.
This is a room, and when you first get in, well, I'll let you figure out what it looks like at first.
Yeah, we were a little concerned with this scenario. But you know, someone may have snuck in here since we've been gone. So, hello.
These
Okay.
look like people sleeping, or bodies rolled up in
They could have easily been sleeping bags.
whatever. So,
Cat.
Yay.
Oh, what animal is it?
Let's check our shoes before we get back in my car, guys.
okay, guys, we've not cleared this. And there's a whole other space back here.
Let's do it.
Guys, let me point this out here.
If you have clown issues, okay. Actually, you know what? Let me lead on
Here,
this
let
one.
me clear this.
These guys know what they're doing.
Good.
Right.
So do I, to a certain extent.
Look left. Turn. Alright, button up completed. Door in this corner.
Door in the corner.
Coming in, friendlies. Okay, small room. They really like DirecTV here. There's like 2 more distant dish.
All right, guys, out of curiosity, there's a door to something over here.
We gonna do it?
Let's do it.
I call second this time.
Be careful, Wesley.
You want me to get the rock? So I'm using fist.
Okay, goes outside.
Good.
Goes out to the side to the back where we
As
already
you
were.
see in the few minutes that we've taken to make this video, the moon has gotten more prominent. As always.
Oh yeah, got a nice full moon on this psycho bed and breakfast.
So there you go, guys. Creepy hotel out in the middle of nothing.